Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make Google your default search engine in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the Zen browser on your desktop computer or laptop, access its browser settings by clicking into these three dots on the top left and by clicking into settings here. Now, what you want to do is navigate to the search tab here in your settings, and at the very top you will see this section, default search engine. It may be Google for you, it may not, I don't know, but if that's not the case, click into the drop-down menu and choose Google. Or you can go with any of these, Perplexity or DuckDuckGo, and that's it. You may also add more of these search engines. If you don't see Google here, for instance, you may click into this button, enter the search engine name here, the home address, for example, and then create a new entry here. And you may also disable any other of these search engine and just leave Google if you like, or do the same with any other search engine. So as you can see, guys, there are various ways how you can solve this issue. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.